Step 1. Start with a full client discovery session. Go beyond assets. Ask about goals, values, health, family, and lifestyle priorities. Step 2. Cover all planning areas. Include retirement, investments, tax strategy, insurance, estate planning, and even cash flow management. It's all connected. Step 3. Collaborate with professionals. Partner with CPAs, attorneys, or insurance specialists when needed. Clients value a coordinated approach. Step 4. Use financial planning software to visualize the full picture. Make sure it's easy for clients to track progress and adjust plans as life changes. Step 5. Revisit the plan regularly. Holistic planning is not one and done. It evolves with your client's life. And remember, it's not just about the money. It's about helping clients live with purpose, security, and clarity. Start planning the whole picture. Your clients will thank you.